This is Donja. Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to unlock your daily master combo card 5 million. Without no further delay, let's get started. So once you log into your Hamster Kombat, you're going to click on the mine here, mine. So once you click on the mine, so you're going to go to payout team here. This is the payout team here. You're going to click on payout team. So when you click on payout team, you're going to scroll down until you see IT team here. Then you're going to click on it. Once it loads, it's going to give you the first one. That's our first card. So our second card is also under the payout team, which is the product team. So you are going to click on it to under payout team. This is it. You are going to click on it and load it. That's our second card here. Product team. As you can see, that's our second card. So our third card is going to be under special. So when you go to under special, I'm going to come out of YouTube gold button here. You are going to click on it, YouTube button, then go ahead. I'm going to click on go ahead. And once you click on go ahead, that's it. You are going to get the 5 million subscribe, 5 million for today's card. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Peace out. Let me take a price.